What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm gonna give you a simple tip yet very effective way to improve the AI visibility, so the AI SEO of your WordPress website for free. How to add the markdown version on your WordPress website. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, in the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into Search Plugins, you're gonna click and type Markup, just like this, Markdown. And here is the guide that I'm looking for, the markup Markdown, okay? Here's the guide, Markdown mirror, the LLMS TXT and MD always up to date. Click on install now. Here's the guide that I'm looking for. Remember this name, okay? Pause the video so you can copy. Click on activate. It's a quite new plugin, okay? As soon as you activate, you're gonna be redirected to the plugins page, a page where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And here is the plugin active. You can click on settings so you can start exploring. Test your index MD. As you can see, it's already working, okay? Test your LLMS. It's already working as well. Nice, right? You have some option for editor, but it's a pro. The shortcodes, the cache, and some pro settings that you can explore. But basically, the plugin is already working, and to test, you can go to every single post on your site, and after the end of the URL, you're gonna use .md. For example, hello world.md. You're gonna be able to see a page almost like this one that AIs love to read. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.